So I promised you an unboxing. Here goes. So I promised you an unboxing, y'all. So here goes. You know, the other day I was feeling, a little bit down and out. I had a fever, headache, and a chill. So what did I do? I bought some stuff online. And it's a very true statement, really, that shopping can really cheer you up. Oh, boxes. Was that all? No. It's glitter, y'all. It's really beautiful glass-like glitter. It has no color except for some pearly shimmer, and you put it on your face and it looks magical. I'm gonna wear this. I'm gonna use this daily. And now for the big reveal. Oh my god, I've been waiting 2 weeks for this baby to arrive, and now it's here. I think you may recognize the brand for some of you in the know. It is Jeffree Star. And what have I ordered? Well, it's a gorgeous baby pink chrome mirror. Look at the packaging. I mean, it's so beautiful. It's lovely. Oh. It's the baby pink chrome mirror by Jeffree Star. It's really cute. It's really cute. It is not a lollipop. Let's face it, it matches my eyeshadow, the pink. Matches my blouse. I really like everything Jeffree does. That guy is rock and roll. Oh my god, it looks so beautiful. Oh! I don't want to ruin this sticker now that I think of it. It's so beautiful. It's so pretty. God, this hair is so warm. It's really hot. It's really hot. So yeah, it's been fun to do this tutorial and unboxing. So until next time, ciao. Ciao. Fever, headache, and a chill.